Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a sniper entry. A sniper entry. We are going to, in this demonstration, I'm going to use jump 10, to do this demonstration. First of all, what we need to look at is the higher picture. We look at what the higher picture is, bigger picture rather, and then we now bring it down. So if you look at this move there, you see that long term this is a bear market. This is bearish. This trade is bearish. Then if you look at on a short term, you look at this is low, higher low, although there is a double bottom here. Then there is another higher low here. This is low, higher low, and a higher low here. Okay, so short term, this is a bullish. This is bullish, but long term is bearish. So if you look at this is a 24 hours time frame. So what I am looking for is that when this happen and this trade is here, I am looking for a pushback and a reaction here. Then the market will push back, targeting this low here, because I expect that you know there will be a liquidity. There are liquidities here that this one should take out this liquidity here. That is my expectation. So that is why I am looking for a reaction down. This is a trade I am in presently. I'll show you. So let us go down to a lower time frame, a 1 hour time frame, so that I can show you what my views were when I was taking the trade. Open. This is a little bit slow. Okay, it has open. Okay, if you see, this is our first leg here. If you look at this, this market performed an M pattern. If you look at here, go up, come down, do a double top, then come down, did a double top, then go down. So if you see what transpired here was what transpired here as well. It might just be a little bit different, So if we zoom into it, that is actually my zone. If you zoom into it, because if you look at here, I'm looking for the break of this high. Okay, break of this. I'm looking for a break of this high here. See, there is a break to the top, and it did M pattern, and then there is a market structure shift here, or you can say the market structure shift happened here. You can even do it here or there. There is a market structure shift here. There is a liquidity sweep to the upside, and there is a market structure shift to the downside and the market. So what we are looking for is, I'm looking for what the market would do at this point. So you see that there is a reaction, and there is a liquidity sweep at the top. If you look at, there is just a little bit of liquidity sweep at the top, right? At the top there is an M pattern, still the same way. Sweep, if you look at here, there is a sweep at the top here, go up, then there is an M pattern. Then there is, if you look, you want to take this as your market structure shift, or this one as your market structure shift. Both of them has happened. So actually I took the trade here. I took that trade here, and here was my stop loss. So let me show you the trade. This is the trade. If I go to daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, so that you see this is jump 10 4 hours time frame. You see my stop loss here. You see my stop loss here, and you see where I took the trade here. If I zoom into it, if I zoom into it, uh, just pause. Okay, if I zoom into it, you see this is the trade. That is the M pattern that happened, one blah blah. Then the same thing happened here, and this is where I took the trade. I took the trade. The trade is here in profit, and what the target is here. The target is here. This is the target because expecting the market to break this structure here and still continue to go down. Okay, so that is how to just take a sniper trade and then get good rewards. So as this market here, my stop loss was is above here. If I go to dailies, my see my this is my stop loss. This is my take profit where I enter the trade. As the trade has gone in my direction, I can easily break even because this is one to one. So I can break even and then allow the trade to run. This is our target here. I'm targeting that this market will take out the liquidity here. There are liquidities here. The market should be able to take out this liquidity here to the downside. Okay, that is how basically I look at sniper entry. So if you find value in this video, please like and share it, and then subscribe to this channel so that it will help me grow, and so that when I make new videos, you will be able to see them and get notifications regarding them. Thanks and God bless.